Hello, my favorite place in the house is my bedroom. It is a small box, very comfortable in place. There is a large window next to my bed. It has a big closet for all my clothes. It's on my desk to do my homework very Irving. There are many books on the checks above the beds.